In today's video, I'm going to teach you the most efficient way to find old emails in Gmail. Whether you're looking for important information, a cherished memory, or just trying to declutter, these simple steps will guide you through the process with ease, ensuring you're well equipped to navigate your email history like a pro. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll see your Gmail dashboard with all your emails organized, usually displaying the most recent ones at the top. Now, if you're looking for an email that you received some time ago, scrolling page by page might not be the most practical solution. This is where Gmail's robust search features come into play, allowing you to filter your inbox and hone in on exactly what you need. The first tool you'll want to use is the search bar, located at the top of your inbox page. This bar is an incredibly powerful feature, letting you enter keywords that are associated with the old email you're trying to find. These keywords can include the sender's name, specific subjects, or even phrases you remember from the email body. Simply type in any details you recall and hit the Enter key to begin the search. Instantly, Gmail will sift through your messages and present you with relevant results. If you're certain about the time frame when you received the email, here's a neat trick. Use Gmail's advanced search operators. Begin by typing before or after into the search bar, followed by a date in the format YYEMMDD. For instance, entering before 2022-00101 will display all emails received prior to January 1st, 2022. This feature can significantly narrow down your search and save you tons of time. In cases where you're overwhelmed by the number of emails appearing in your search results, take advantage of Gmail's filter options. Click on the small arrow on the right side of the search bar to open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a variety of fields to refine your search, such as sender's email, specific words it has, or even attachments. These filters are incredibly helpful for zeroing in on that elusive email. Finally, if you find yourself searching for old emails frequently, you might consider organizing your inbox using labels or folders. By creating specific categories for different types of emails, you'll have a head start the next time you need to retrieve something from the past. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to find any old email without breaking a sweat. Don't forget that practice makes perfect. The more you get acquainted with these features, the easier it will be to manage your Gmail effectively in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and happy searching.